Of Wednesday morning, Namide Entertainment as someone more Kwababa Bijam. I was the Fiji world of entertainment. Near Chagwood, the Fata will name some more. Maybe be some more. But in the Sandra or Heme Ametua. A Jimmy Adom Entertainment, I'm a Ghana for Chimwa.
When you Sandy, where do you die? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Was what you say?
We a guy.
I say osmosis, DJ Jumana wearing angen. A drew me hana or person or these skills. Hey, can Osmo big up yourself now born somehow. That's why. Mama Aquaba, and ya may check where say a betty brewing and I am some me any brewing. Now, dear Chibia, I'm up some more bands seminum. What are my quarter pound dear by 31st and my birthday in every. I'm still in the birthday mode because birthday to me, dear, was 31st. Of course, I'm a December born. Young corn seminal as soon. Young president-elect. I hear John Dramani Mahama no, and a celebrities be by Montana so. Ebe allegation. And ya na Chris Wadu a year to and a nano cry we say nano ye nipa abeke be a D black. Neti aseming. Pokes more from ha. Pokes to chemo celebrities no. Mo nye correct. Because I say I didn't know one can afia adu premai adu gagai. Ebe free so na mbesa mo kan sem to no so. Na say when enkofo kan o social no so say agro mo ye na na do bekọ mo be fene papa because o free so na mbo hu say yes sam enye me kra na me kra de me nim ho hwe me nye politics what I say enti go tie ebra na oba ye di nkomo ka koka de asem bi eko wa ye ho se e wo se be kra koka e wo se more information minister because unim bibia bounce me bra no ye nyina ye feel safe tumfo na ye me twaso but Gary the oboa Gary he was my colleague here Gary obi a no Al Jazeera for friend no or reporting my BBC Sport oboa don't discredit somebody's work like that. I will not tolerate Yantwaso. Why am I? Me na da Mr. Weber. Why am I studio for no crassery? Wouldn't be Dina some wedding cranam na my main patch or money in advance. The over here, I sure before wherever we mixed feelings. But forgive her, okay? Just Shabbat is here. Forgive, Shabbat.
Now me kwasra gifty adoye and Sunday nam tinano me kwasra gifty adoye and Sunday nam katre ne se mami gifty o mami ye o baye ne he ene wo se baabia Dr. Aban eye na ye asto tef no so ene wo baye ne so nam se wo nya ne wo so asto tef no wo nya ne so kwama fafantom ema asto tef na koye ne wo so wanto amam pipi nti kope wasase a o baye dan o baye wo so what you see mama no last one oni ni kuna do ye nyina se asto tef no do mo to ma ban ma no nko no mo nye anima
Queen of Parks Ghana Parks Association president and akasa no Mrs. Tapengino obi we jiemu a all morning ne mami de otimi kokan na ade
ene wo so asto tef no wo nye no so kwama fafantom ema asto tef na koye ne wo so wanto amam pipi nti kope wasase a o baye dan o baye wo so
Queen of Parks afafanto for that wase we say mommy obi da form mo wani mre on say na ya we ya na enkofo bisa me say na dynamics am we okay na so Mrs. Tapengino no untimi be bisa me so okay onye okay an content microphone e we okay na ni da hopa wakwachi obi e bisa na say astro what wakwachi obi e bisa ne say obi ma me da fo akwachi an o say bisa ne so be ye anyway na da be the parks share unsa Sister Penny we dey ntwe we was me pon be frame me Sandra me ma un host show me kwaye this year kwa me ni ha why me da sipi yento aso Still on the funeral grounds now. Queen of Wax so on my Empress Engeno. Empress Gifty say me nemo ka sene ma me da forma. Em so mo ye 1 week a omotena se ya. Abusuafo ekochia no. Eti bia wo hu ya pashwada ma me nche obi na je babaka. We ye wajie mu nti no ye new share ka fa ho. De wo kan ni say we watch we don't judge. Shebra sisi ya. Enie we watch we don't judge. More than you know because and send me the chair or that ma obi da form till there. I mean to ask me. Ya was security man be ofi ha na ni dream ne so be musician. Na there be a security man no humi a no ha me sister Sandy and I didn't know your media house ni putting it on. Yo, what's more give it up for my security. Miffy Chow, baby boy. Because you've got talent. Also, what's on your moyadi, and I don't see why our media house and put your talent on. I want to so for crab and me put your mono. How much more you? And Rani dreaming, it came true. She Kofi Kanata by Henra, and Oshiano, and this is how I call it. Big up yourself, baby boy.
A nice one with Kofi Kinata, the superstar. Yeah, Ebony Prince. Shout out, Mpacho surprise. Kimparita, my boy. Kimparita for life. Yeah, with the surprise. With the man, energy.
Let me say, well, look, Kebi, but me should I? Yeah, I'm say, what's with Philip Kempaluta? And okay, don't worry, baby boy, we got you. You know, one show anyone so a security man or multimedia has say, or you're very talented. Or Chinano, and a Friday. Me pen freestyle bi na mabo weba ampedu echi ho ana ampedu bi sasa na to so o wa nyom o osmo bokaka ma me bokaka yentie ne freestyle kaka okay can palita nyom no yeah refix okay
Ebony Prince makuma remix
yeah guys yeah, bad. Wow, big up yourself. Also, me that's wow, that's too dope. And so Ebony Reigns, Ebony Prince. Okay, all right, big up yourself, baby boy. We got you. And I'm a WCW, my Woman Crush Wednesday. I am none other. This woman, give it to me. Okay. Osmo Momon Sem Famano. Mommy, you are my woman crush. Mama Efe, 63 years. Look at how beautiful she looks. Mommy, we are my woman crush Wednesday. And no pay. Me so what ya me do flowers mao. Mama, adwuma na wo ye no. Sa obra dwumadie no. Why in over 20 something years. And it's not easy. Being in the same space with you, know, it's not easy. So baby be 20 something years. And mama, you can't Ghana hanging na mommy way. And I started that kind of show. Oh yeah, one your the shame one fine shame or wrong. Me boji ami moji. Mama if in started osmo bon seman sa by 60 seconds. Mama if we celebrate you. And it's such an honor to be working in the same company with you. We love you so much. Ejuma wa yen na Ghana for omo mehu dawase omo hu yen so no nyame emfa nche omo fefefe e wo TV so kama nyame nshwa ye dawase we wo favorite no na hwan mama efe ni training omo ba akone kra de no ye mama efe bench mama efe ni ho a ona na ye eti ye mama efe ene nam no so ene no ono so enya platform yes the same show. So mommy, you know I love you so much and thanks for loving me. God bless you. Oma kwatente oma wa ho more. Again the birthday. We are just celebrating her. So mommy, Joe Flowers. The flower no way. Mama Joe Flowers. What you see, we celebrate you. You are my woman crush Wednesday. Me the best see. And the Jay-Z assembly na Jay-Z day. And then Wednesday, By now, Frank in the me need JJ asem fagana for home. Ah, Mama Mempong. Mark Weber, Asante Achima Ogudishie, was Mubon Sema, my director. Mark Weber, big up yourself. On I'm a director. Tina, I said, I'm going to turn at morning, Michiana Kakaraka. You know, I love you, right? Auntie Tina, Yamin Shell, or Babesia, or camera departments. Why you need to brazier? Big up yourself. I see you, Master Israel. I see you, Frank. Yeah, boss. Alex. Ernest. Okay, big up yourself and big up FCR. I'm the guys, Queen. Same time, Friday. I'll be here. I'm out. Bye for now.